Welcome back. I'm Raul, and welcome to Make It Work! And today, we're going to be showing you some failed 3D prints and giving you some tips and tricks along the way to make your next 3D print perfect. So stick around. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who wants to watch a 3D print fail? Well, if you're an avid 3D printer enthusiast, you know that each time you print, you want that print to get better and better. But sometimes our projects can get ahead of us. So we recently set up a shutter release button to automatically take pictures of our 3D prints so we can make time lapses out of them. Everyone's seen them, everyone loves them, they're so cool, they're really interesting to watch. However, there's a lot of things that we learned along the way that we want to share with everybody. So join us in watching some of these failed prints, and hopefully we can provide you with some feedback at the end to make your next 3D print go exactly the way you want. So let's jump into it. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell icon to be alerted to new content. And please check out our other social media. And maybe let us know what project you're working on. And don't forget, no matter the project, no matter the problem, make it work. See you later.